How to find transaction history on Exness. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today I'm back with another Exness tutorial and we are learning how you can find your transaction history. If you want to check your deposits, withdrawals or trading history, it is easy to view your transaction history on Exness, so let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser and type in exness.com in the URL box, and also make sure that you are logged into your exness.com account. Once you're logged into the home page of Exness, go ahead and click on the Transaction History tab on the left-hand side corner, and you'll get it after you expand the Payment and Wallet section. Click on that, and with just a click of a button, you'll be able to see your transaction history on this page. From here, you can also go ahead and use the date filter to view a transaction for a specific period of time. You can filter search from types, status, and all accounts tab, and simply go ahead and find the transaction on this page. Since I don't have any transaction whatsoever on my account, it is just empty as you can see it, but if you've made a recent transaction, then you can find it on this page. You can click on any transaction once you have one to view its full details. And that's how you easily view your full transaction history on Exness. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.